Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. We're looking at Disney right now. After hours, this is live action. We're going to see if this thing, we have a gap fill right here at 113.05. It's like a magnet, people. It's going to suck this thing right to it. And let's see if it bounces. We're going to go to the daily chart. We're going to show you. Good area. You got this pivot high. You got this gap fill right in here. You have a little bit of support. You had the 20 MA coming down. I don't have after hours on the daily. We're at 113.61. Let's look at the 60-minute, maybe a little better. Let's see, 113. Yeah, so there's really nothing on that chart as well. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see. Right at this 20 MA, we got 112 at the 20 MA on here, so possibly 112. Let's go back to the 10-minute real quick. I hope this thing plays out now. We are not going to play this one. Well, we'll see. It's got to come down. We got 3 minutes. It's got to come right down to this area. If it does, we're going to take it. Let's see. I got to get ready here. I like it in this. Let's see. Yeah, maybe a little bit lower, maybe 112. But I'm going to give it another minute or two. We have 2 minutes left, or 2.5 minutes left on the candle. We'll wait this candle. If it barely touches it and goes a little lower, we're gonna have to wait and see here. All right, here it comes. Let's get ready. I don't know. We're gonna see. If I do, I'm gonna take maybe 300 shares, 400 shares, because it's pretty beaten down here. Here, let's go back to the regular. See, I mean, look at that though. Came down. Beautiful. Down. Look at that bearish pattern. Look at that. Boom. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh no. There we go. I forgot I took it out. So let's do that. So here we go. 113, but right around 112 on the weekly, we have the 20 MA. So right in here, we have a little bit of protection. So I'm thinking if we buy it here, it goes down another buck. We buy 500 shares. It's about a $500, $600 stop loss, but we'll see. I don't know if it's going to make it. It's getting there. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. Again, we have like a minute left to this candle. I would love for it to hit on this candle, because if it hits right at the 10-minute close, I can't do it, because that's telling me we possibly might have lower prices. All right, come on. I just want to show people that this is what I'm looking for. I can't make this stuff up. All right, here we go. 35, 30, 113.30. Getting those prints coming across. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. We got 50 seconds in this candle. Very important. You don't want to take a trade right when it clicks over and then all of a sudden it starts to flush some more, and then we're thinking 112 or so. Getting there. Come on, a little bit more. And as a scalp trader, this is what we do. We sit here and wait. Come on. And beg it, please. And that's the hardest part sometimes too, is just waiting here patiently, because you want it. As soon as you buy this thing, the market makers are going to send it down. So you got to wait for this area. You know, anywhere in here, if we could get it down into the 50 cents, you know, 112.50, even better. We got 10 seconds left of this candle. It's close. All right, this candle, maybe. Let's see. This candle, we're going to have to wait for lower prices, like the 112. That's what I'm thinking. Come on, one good flush. All right, clicks over. Here we go. One good flush. This is what we do in intraday action as well. We're looking at this. We're waiting for levels. So basically, if I'm making this trade, I'm going to type it into stock twits right now and go taking Disney at 112, say 90, you know, 980 right in there. All right, come on, a little bit more. One good shakedown right here. Sometimes they'll do that right at the last of all these candles. One last time, they'll really just give it a ooh. Everybody went long up here. Is like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, and they're all starting to sell because this thing's just tanking right now. So not that big of a tank job. I mean, it's down $9 after hours, or $8, so not terrible. But again, earnings 50-50 shot. Well, why would you bet on this one going up or down? Either way, down, yeah, you look like a hero. Let me tell you, it's the casino, people. And if you ever go to the casino, you know how it feels when you're walking out because you just won. You're like, woo, I just won the casino. This is great. Then you know the walk of shame too, and it's like, man, why did I even go there today? Oh, I just lost $700 in 2 hours. Gosh, that's why I like that. That's why I like the market. I can make more money in the market trading than I go to the casino. I lose all the time. Nah, we're getting a bounce. All right, trades off the table. I'm not going to mess around with this one. If it goes lower, it's going without me. I mean, darn it. All right, guys, just never got there. All right, well, that's Disney. Again, let's go to the monthly just to show you a little bit more. Extended to the max. Come on. I've been showing everybody on my videos extended charts. This is another one. And this is even better. It hasn't touched it in years. It's got to come down. A couple other things as well. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly, just even that one stretched from the 20. Look, it goes up, comes back around. Bullish manner. Look at that. Bullish, hits it, pops it up, getting a little stretched. Needs to come in. Wow, look at that bounce. Dang, just missed it. What was the low? 113.16, and what did that print? Maybe one share. So say 113.20. Dang, look at that. Almost a buck bounce right there. But that's what we're looking for. We're hoping that it could get down in here and then bounce. I mean, look at, oh, there it goes. 1426, 1436, 1420. That's what we're looking for in a scalp. We would have been in and out, 500 shares. Boom, bam, boom, done. Or 200 or 300. It depends on your risk. We're thinking here, dollar stop, $500-600 loss, and you got to exit. All right, guys, that's it for Disney. Again, bouncing here. I would be watching for another bearish setup, then possibly more downside. All right, everyone, thanks for watching my video. This is what we're trying to catch. If we play any earnings play, it's after the fact. And you know what? Honestly, sometimes we do play into earnings, but it will be a stock that doesn't move, 45 bucks each way. And usually if we sell half of the position and then we already made money and it goes back to a certain area or we're in the money, then we'll play it. There's always, there's always, you got to mix up your rules a little bit once in a while. And earning plays, we never play them like just hopping into it. All right, come on, Disney, go up, come on. And then it's like, oh, I used to play those a lot. And I learned my lesson. It took me years to not play earnings. It's a tough one, but I like this, the gaps, like this one. If I would have seen this a little bit earlier, I think I might have shorted it, or I would have waited for it to come into the MAs here, and then boom. But again, look at that. Ah, we just missed it, and it bounced. It bounced almost a buck. So anyways, thanks for watching the videos. Hopefully I'm helping some traders out there with our technical analysis and our trading style. And again, we're short-term traders here at StockBookie. We get in, we get out, we take the money and run. That's how we trade. Again, thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.